Hi, welcome back to Car Info Project channel. Renault has introduced its new flagship vehicle, the Rafale, in Europe. This hybrid coupe SUV shares its platform with the family-oriented Austral and Espace models, ensuring a spacious interior and aerodynamic design, with the CMF-CD platform also used in the 50 million Renault Group models. The Rafale positions itself in the heart of the SUV segment with the dimensions of 40.7 meter in length, 1.61 meter in height, and a 2.74 meter wheelbase. The Rafale will be available in two versions. The initial release includes a clutchless hybrid powertrain generating 194 horsepower. This power comes from a combination of a 1.2-liter 3-cylinder petrol engine and two electric motors. The front wheels are driven by 127 horsepower Atkinson Cycle engine connected to a 4-speed automatic gearbox. Additionally, a 66 horsepower electric motor is situated between the engine and the main gearbox. Initially, the Rafale will be offered as a front-wheel drive hybrid with a 194 horsepower in Europe. However, a four-wheel drive variant with a 290 horsepower is also planned. The base model features a 2 kWh battery beneath the driver's seat, enabling short-range electric driving. The 290 horsepower four-wheel drive versions retains the same front-mounted powertrain but adds an electrified rear axle with a separate electric motor and rear differential. This model includes a larger battery and is expected to be a plug-in hybrid with an electric-only range of 48 to 64 kilometers.